Hi, this is Paul for The Pond Guy. We're here today to show you how to do maintenance on your AquaStream half horsepower fountain, the ES05. This maintenance will help your fountain to run smoothly year after year. So let's get started. We recommend performing maintenance once every 12 months. The tools we'll be using today are a number 1 Phillips screwdriver, snap ring pliers, marker, brushes for cleaning debris, and equipment cleaner. First, remove the nozzle and nozzle nut and turn the fountain upside down. Then unscrew the intake screen nut. Remove the intake screen and set aside. Next, using your number 1 Phillips screwdriver, remove the set screw on the intake screen base. Now turn the intake screen base counterclockwise a quarter turn to unlock it from the fountain. Then, turn the lock ring counterclockwise a quarter turn to unlock and remove. Next, use a marker and mark one side of the impeller assembly and pin for reference when reassembling. Then, gently pull out the impeller assembly to disassemble for cleaning. First, remove the snap ring using a snap ring pliers. Now, gently separate the impeller and screen from the rotor. Then, inspect and clean the components and the inside of the stator using a brush and equipment cleaner. Once the impeller, rotor, and stator have been cleaned, it's time to reassemble the unit. First, place the screen and impeller back into the rotor and secure the snap ring using a snap ring pliers. Be sure the impeller is positioned up to the snap ring and can move freely. Next, place the assembly back into the stator, ensuring the pins are aligned the same way as when you removed them. Now, place the lock ring and turn clockwise to lock into place. Then, place the intake screen base and turn clockwise to lock into place. Secure the intake screen base with the set screw. Now, place the intake screen back onto the fountain and secure with the intake screen nut. Finally, reinstall the nozzle and nozzle nut. To keep your fountain looking like new, you can also clean the rest of the fountain with equipment cleaner. This completes the maintenance on your AquaStream half horsepower fountain model ES05. If you need additional help or would like us to perform the maintenance for you, contact one of our pond techs for more information. For more expert tips, visit us online at thepondguy.com or give us a call at 866-POND-HELP.